Sadly, the time has come to move on and leave our dream Anchorage behind, to continue on our travels and discover more pieces of paradise just like this. The locals on the island really make this spot extra special. They paddled out to our boats in their canoes to say goodbye and brought us coconuts, squid and even an aloe vera plant. These guys are absolute legends. We will miss you guys. Got 4, they gave us 4. Show us that big one on there. Oh, nice. It's now time to get the boat ready for the passage. So we're cleaning out the hatch. This is the 3rd time we've had to clean it out and it's just been full of water. Water is actually trapped in this little tiny compartment where you can't get to. So Ollie's just rigged this little mad pump up.
It's a yabby pump with a little fitting on the end.
And we found out the leak is from our fresh water and also from one of the bilge pumps, so he's just sealed that up. But yeah, as you can see, this hull has a lot of growth on it because it's a lot heavier with the water in it and it's a lot deeper than that hull over there. We're just sucking the salt water out of the bilges. Paradise, she is growing green hair and has like a heap of brown stain up the side of her. Yeah, so check this out. See how long my hair is? I've got my trusty paint scraper and it's pretty easy, it comes off nice and easy. This will definitely slow us down. So the squid to our friend Abba, one of the local guys on the island, and his wife's going to cook it up for us and show us how she does it. So yeah, pretty exciting. This is our dear friend Abba. We're at his family home. And yeah, they're cooking up the squid for us. Are you cutie? Should have brought out. We call them lions. Say hello. Result. Smells absolutely amazing. We're just going into town to stock up supplies for the sail to Komodo. Picking up our laundry. Here we are. Oh yeah, mangoes.
No. Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Oh, tomato bushes. Ollie, there's heaps of tomatoes. Yes. Oh, there's some really nice red ones over there, like the little cherries. Oh, look at that. This is absolutely heaven right now. This is so tomatoes. Cool. As fresh as it comes, we're picking our own produce. Oh, yummy. Spring onions.
Yes.
Which is a good one.
You like pick one or no?
Do it?
Two. Okay.
So how do you... By flicking?
It's old. Yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah.
Hands. So they're just sorting out the spring onion leaves for us. I'm just so in love with this garden right now. So that plant's medicine. Do you drink it or boil it up and drink it?
Boil the roots.
Or you boil the roots?
We Indonesia say ginjal.
skin down.
No. Toilet, always you
Oh,
always problem for have the stone.
so for you're for kidney stones. Kidneys. Yeah, for kidneys. So if you get kidney stones, you drink, you boil that and drink the roots. He was so unsure. How was that? Bit sour. Savu. So sad. Today's the day we set sail for Komodo Island. Sun is rising and we're going to raise the anchor soon and set the sails and we're off. Goodbye, Savu.
Catch you later.
Phew, you've been awesome. Phew, dolphins! Oh, they're so beautiful. Look at them! Oh, they're coming over! Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! What a good sender! Savu! So Ollie's just sorting out our reefing lines. Yeah, we had to take the sail bag off to repair it, so we've decided to get the spinnaker out because there's like fuck all wind around. Oh, we're hooking! Let's see what we're sitting on. 7.3, get out. Have a look in that, babe.
Yeah, it's really good. It was full glass off this morning when we left 2 hours ago. And now, so we got the spinnaker flying, the main's full up, and we're sitting on about between 7 and 8 knots constant. It's awesome. Such good sailing. Might just made me an omelette. Really good.
Your energy for the day, so you can do watch all day and night, and I can sleep. So Ollie's still having a snooze. I'm just laying up the front, getting a bit of sun. I'm still keeping out for anything on the horizon. Got my tunes playing. I've got Neville on the Neville is the navigator at the moment. Hey Nev, we love you. Definitely the #1 thing to have on a boat is an autopilot. Woo! What have we got? Fuck, we're hooked, so this is going to be pretty tricky. Yeah, we're doing like 8.5 knots. So. Nice little rub down. Oh, look at all the dirt coming off her. Great.
Just getting smashed by this bit of rain here. And then we got that bit out there. We're just going to try and go around this one and then go on the outside of that one. Hopefully we can get some breeze off this one.
So we're just putting the second reef in because we're getting up to, the wind's getting up to like 25 knots and we're averaging a speed of 10 knots. So yeah, we thought it'd be best to put the second reef in now, especially now it's on sunset.
What you doing there, Lana?
Getting dinner prep. A bit rolly in the kitchen at the moment, so I'm just prepping out here.
Yeah, we're going for
tea. Bit of dal, salad and fish.
Yum.
Pretty good passage food. Lucky man. 7:30, Ollie's just gone to bed. We've done about 75 nautical miles in 12 hours, which is awesome. We've got about another 85 to go. We're still averaging 6 knots, so we got 2 reefs in. Yeah, happy sailing. I've been on watch now for about 3 hours, and I'm really considering waking Ollie up. Nah, better not. That's not very fair, is it? But night watch is the hardest, and it's so dark. It's nice when there's stars and all that and things that you can get lost in, but right now there's just clouds and it's pitch black, and there's just a couple of dots on the horizon. And I went and checked, there was a bit of water in the starter engine, so I had to put the bilge pump on, but I don't want to wake Ollie up, so I've got most of the water out anyway, so it should be right. I'll let him suss it out when he wakes up. I'm just checking to make sure that the water isn't filling back up. It's nowhere near as full. It wasn't what it was before, but still a bit of water in there. So I'll just keep checking. At least the bilge pumps work. So my shift is pretty much over. I'm just making Ollie a really, really strong coffee so he stays awake most of the night, rest of the night, and I can sleep. And I've made him some wheat bix too, but yeah, so I'm pretty excited to get to bed.
About midnight, Lana's asleep, and we've got absolutely fuck all wind. So we're doing 1.9 knots. So I'm going to have a crack at putting the spinnaker up. I can see on the radar there's no shit weather around, so let's see how I go on my own. We've got the spinnaker up. There she is in all her glory.
So it's 7 o'clock and I'm just woken up. So I must have made Ollie a pretty strong coffee last night. No, he's a champion. He always lasts a lot longer than me. There's no wind. There's like 3 knots of wind at the moment, so we're just literally, we've got the motors on, you can see in the distance. So we're heading just there. The water is absolutely like silk at the moment. Ollie said that he seen dolphins this morning. So glassy. Ollie's still having a snooze. We are about 35 nautical miles away and it's 8 o'clock, so we've made really good ground. So beautiful, there's dolphins everywhere. Look at them. So we're nearly at Rincha Island. It's a good little welcome party. Ollie said he's seen a super pod this morning. Oh, look at them. Oh, there's some in front as well. You're joking, they're everywhere. Absolutely frothing. We just had like a super pod of dolphins go past the boat, but they were like just all spread out over the horizon. They were everywhere. It was incredible. I've never seen anything like it. It was like the whole surrounding was just dolphins, dolphins, dolphins. It was fucking awesome. Way. So usually like, they come and swim in the boat, but like they'll get close, like they were going to come over and then they'll just quickly turn. I don't know, they had somewhere to be. By the looks of it, they're all migrating that way. But it's just incredible. That's like an awesome way to wake up, hey? The best feeling ever. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you like it. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel.
Cheers guys. If you want to see what we're currently up to, you can follow us on Instagram at Sailing on Paradise. The link's in the bio thing down here.
Somewhere.
Maybe.
If we can get it on there. Please stick around for the next episode, Sailing on Paradise, as Ollie catches a huge mahi-mahi and we discover dragons on Rincha Island.